Today we'll test out SugarWhisk Mini Corn Dog Maker from Amazon. We'll do a taste test at the end too. SugarWhisk Corn Dog Maker. So I already greased it. We have this prepared batter. It's just a regular pancake mix. Turkey hot dogs instead of the regular hot dogs. Ooh, I put too much. I didn't know how much. Uh-oh. Okay, looks like it went okay, except that I gotta figure out how much batter to put in there. This is the corn dog, and let me trim them for now.
So I'm going to start by tasting the turkey corn dog hot dog. We need to put, it would be nice to have some kind of maybe like a ketchup or something with it. And then I have the cheese stick. I think I like the mozzarella cheese stick a little bit more. I like if we figure out how to make it a little crunchier though.
So we just finished using the SugarWhisk Mini Corn Dog Maker from Amazon. There's a little bit of learning curve, but if you want to make your own corn dogs, this is a good machine. It's slightly smaller, so I would recommend you buy the thinner hot dogs, and if you're using a string of cheese, cut it in half. Also with the batter though, you can't put too much. As you've seen, it's gonna overflow. And it comes with this manual. I suggest you read the manual, which I did not. I'm reading it after the fact. They also have some recipes here. It also tells you that if you're gonna fry the hot dog, make sure you wipe it clean. It's free of grease, so that way the batter is gonna stick. So full disclosure, I have provided a link so you can purchase the product on Amazon. I do earn a small commission, and no, I was not paid to say what I think. This is an honest opinion. So this is your Tito Rod. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, kindly subscribe to my channel, like or share. And with that said, mga chong chang, ingat po kayo. Kita-kits, okay?